Ever found yourself or your partner disrupting the silent night with a symphony of snores? It's a common issue that can break the peaceful slumber of not only the snorer, but also their bed partner. Welcome to our enlightening discussion on how to curb or even halt snoring during sleep. Take a moment to understand why snoring happens. When the flow of air through your mouth and nose is partially blocked while you sleep, it causes the tissues surrounding the area to vibrate. This vibration creates the sound we know as snoring. Now, let's delve into some practical solutions you can apply to this nocturnal nuisance. Firstly, maintaining a healthy weight can be a huge help. Extra pounds, particularly around the neck, can lead to snoring. By keeping up with a balanced diet and regular exercise, you can lessen the fatty tissue in your throat, consequently reducing the odds of snoring. Secondly, consider your sleeping position. If you tend to sleep on your back, you might be unknowingly worsening your snoring. This position allows your tongue and soft palate to collapse to the back of your throat, blocking your airway. Opt for sleeping on your side to keep your airway unobstructed and minimize snoring. Thirdly, hydration is key. Dehydration can thicken the secretions in your nose and soft palate, leading to an increase in snoring. Ensure you're drinking enough water throughout the day to keep these areas moist and reduce snoring. The fourth tip revolves around nasal congestion. If your nasal passages are blocked, it can contribute to snoring. Utilize a saline nasal spray or a humidifier to clear your nasal passages and lower the odds of congestion-induced snoring. Finally, avoid alcohol and sedatives before bed. These substances relax the muscles in your throat, increasing the likelihood of them collapsing and causing snoring. Keep away from these substances before bed to effectively minimize snoring during sleep. To sum it all up, snoring, while common, can disrupt a good night's rest. But by implementing these strategies, you can effectively lower or even eradicate snoring, ensuring a peaceful night's sleep for you and your partner. We appreciate your time spent with us learning about how to stop or minimize snoring and sleep. If these tips prove unhelpful or your snoring is accompanied by other symptoms, it's important to consult a healthcare professional. Enjoy your newfound knowledge, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content. Here's to a night of sweet, uninterrupted dreams.